This one. I'm a cop. He can't do that.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boy.
Good.
Hey, how's it going over here?
Hey, don't worry. This is gonna be the best meth you've ever seen.
I'm a cop. And that's Meth.
Ah, police! Oh, shit. I don't got any meth. I don't got any. No hands. No meth. No meth.
Gentlemen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you have a an attorney, one will be provided for you. You accept these rights as they have been read to you.
What? Let's go. Come on. Sit down.
Excuse me, son. Could you please tell me your name?
Anthony Capola,
Yeah, height,
5'10",
weight,
235.
ethnicity.
I'm white.
I'm gonna need you to put your fingerprint right there. Now, could we please escort this person back to his cell?
Come on, boy. Come on now.
It's bullshit.
Take a seat, son.
Excuse me, son. Could I please have your name
John Luke T.
and your height,
5'11",
your weight?
170 pounds, soaking wet.
Sir, this is not a time to joke around. You are being booked. Could I please have your weight
125 pounds,
and your ethnicity?
white.
Okay, please put your thumb right there. That's nice. Please escort this man back to jail.
Come on now.
So, tell me what happened the other day, Anthony.
Well, it was a normal Saturday. I woke up, short some money, and I was short on meth, and I needed to cook some, so I decided to make it like a lot of meth, me and my partner.
Alright. So, what do you want to plea? You want to plea,
Not guilty, not guilty.
You're
I'm not,
pleading
I'm
not-
not going down easy or anything like that.
Oh, okay. So you want to fight?
I mean, yeah, but even like, there's got to be a loophole or something like that because they had no search warrant, nothing. There's some guy ran through my house and the cop was chasing him and just realized like there was meth and came and arrested my partner.
You know what? You know what that is?
What?
It's called hot pursuit.
What's hot pursuit?
That means when someone's running through, they have the right to search it if they see you. Did they see you making the meth?
Yes.
Oh, that's what you're going down.
So is there any way to get out of it? Anything we can do?
It's kind of a sticky situation.
Right. And what's your winning percentage?
I'm about like 52%.
52.
52.
What do you charge? Like,
About $3 grand.
three grand, and you only
A
win
day.
half your cases. What?
$3 grand a day.
A day?
Yeah, I'm like the best in the business.
Hello, Mr. John Luke. So what happened the other day?
Well, how did I get you? I don't have any money for a lawyer.
Well, I'm a public defender, so they assigned me to you. I'm a second-rate lawyer.
All right.
How do you want to plead?
Well, first, I mean, it all started with the whole meth lab. So I was just sitting there helping make the meth. I mean, I need the money, but I gotta plead not guilty.
Not guilty. So
Yeah.
here's what I think you should do. I think that you should do a plea bargain and testify against Anthony.
I mean, I don't really want to throw someone else under the bus like that. So if there's anything else I can do, I would rather do that. Than...
Well, it's either going to be him in jail or both of you in jail. And if you testify against him, I think it'll just be him in jail.
Alright, I mean, sounds better than having me in jail, so
I think so too.
I'll do the plea bargain, testify against Capola. We'll have him go
Go.
to jail.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Connor Donovan. Please be seated.
Take that damn hood off of my court, boy.
Can't handcuff.
Hey, take his damn hood off in this court, boy. So, you, Anthony Capola, are here today. You're being charged with the manufacturing and distribution of Class A narcotics. You face up to 15 years in a federal prison if you are found guilty. You will be held with no bail. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Connor Donovan. Please rise, sir. You may take your seat.
Turn that damn chair around, boy. Spin that in this court or else you'll be seeing that prison sooner.
Take your hat off.
Thank you. You, John Luke D., are being charged with the manufacturing and distributing of a Class A narcotic. You face up to 15 years in a federal prison if you are found guilty. You'll be held with no bail. How do you plead?
Would you stand up?
Granted.
My client here has been offered a plea bargain, and he wants to testify against Sir Anthony Capola.
So, he will be ratting out his friend on this case.
That is correct.
Accepted.
For the state of Florida versus Anthony Capola, will we all rise for the Honorable Judge Connor Donovan? Please take your hat off for the second time.
Sorry.
You may take your seat.
The court will now begin. Would you, the defense, like to make an opening statement?
Yes, my client is pleading not guilty.
Okay, thank you. Would the prosecution like to make an opening statement?
Yes. Representing Florida, we are pressing charges against Anthony Capola for manufacturing and intent to distribute. Your Honor, I would like to call a witness to the stand.
Granted.
Tyrone, over there.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So
I do.
God. Okay. You may take a seat.
Prosecution has the stand.
Okay, so, have you ever bought meth from Anthony Capola?
Yes.
Have you ever sold meth for Anthony Capola?
Yes.
That's all I need.
Defense, do you have any further questions?
We do not have any further questions.
You may leave Tyrone.
Your Honor, I would like to call a second witness to the stand.
Granted.
John Luke D. On the stand. Can you do this?
Please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I
So
do.
we go. Take a seat.
Prosecution, the stand is yours.
So, John Luke, how do you know Anthony Capola?
We cooked and sold meth together.
Is that it?
Yeah, for the most part.
What happened?
You know, we've been working in a drug ring for quite a while. Both need the money. He's been cooking and selling it, and I'm just kind of the middleman. Don't really make much money for my 12 kids. You know, kind of takes it all for himself. So he's kind of the whole brains and leader in the operation.
12 kids, huh?
Well, kids gotta try to support him.
Alright, that's all I need. Thank you.
Defendant, would you like to question this family man?
Defendant has no questions.
Witness, you may leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Prosecution, do you have any closing statements?
I do not.
Would you like any closing statements from the defendant?
We do not have any statements.
So, in conclusion of this trial, we will now sentence Anthony Coppola to 15 years in prison. With no parole. Jean-Luc D will be facing 5 years with witness
This
protection.
is what happens when you sell meth, kids, and go to Florida to quit, and live in the state of Florida.
One.
All rise for Connor Donovan.
Judge Connor
You
Donovan.
have to say, Judge.
1. Execution, do you have any closing statements?
No, sir.
You suck!
Cut that, cut that, cut that.
Teabag him. Someone get that.
No sex crimes.
No sex crime.